ரிசர்வ் வங்கியின் ஆளுநர் சக்தி காந்ததாஸ் செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்து வருகிறார். அதனை பார்க்கலாம்.
Petrol and diesel will bring about a durable reduction in inflation by way of direct effects as well as indirect effects operating through fuel and transportation costs. The inflation trajectory is therefore likely to be in line with our earlier projections, and price pressures may persist in the immediate term. Vegetable prices are expected to see a seasonal correction with winter arrivals in view of bright prospects for the Rabi crop. Supply-side interventions by the government have limited the fallout of continuing high international edible oil prices on domestic prices. I'm talking about edible prices. The measures taken by government have actually sort of limited the impact of rising international prices on our domestic prices. Though crude oil prices have seen some correction in the recent period, a durable containment of price pressures would hinge on strong global supply responses to match the pickup in demand as pandemic restrictions ease. Cost push pressures continue to impinge on core inflation, though their pass-through may remain muted due to slack in the economy. Over the rest of the year, inflation prints are likely to be somewhat higher as base effects turn adverse. However, it is expected that headline inflation will peak in Q4 of this current financial year, that is 21-22, and soften thereafter. Taking into consideration all these factors, CPI inflation is projected at 5.3% for 2021-22, and this consists of 5.1% in Q3 and 5.7% in Q4 of 21-22, with risks broadly balanced. CPI inflation is then expected to ease to 5% in Q1 22-23 and stay at 5% in Q2 of 22-23. Our monetary policy stance is primarily attuned to evolving domestic inflation and growth dynamics. Yet, imminent shifts in monetary policy settings by systemically important global central banks are bringing about